Hey guys, welcome to another RC review. Today I'm going to be showing you a Nine Eagles Xtra 300 and basically everything that comes inside the box as well. This is a micro flyer for indoor flying, you know, either in a stadium or things like that, or you can use it outside but with minimum wind. It's designed to be like a 3D style aircraft, which is what the Xtra normally is anyway. And as you can see by the box, it's a 2.4 gig RTR with everything included in the box that you need to start flying. That's batteries, chargers, everything you need. So anyway, a little bit about it. It's about 50 centimeters long in wingspan. It's about 445 millimeters in length, and it has an N660 motor with a 7.4 volt 250 milliamp LiPo battery, and they say like flight time is about 5 to 7 minutes. So what we're going to do, we're going to open it up and show you exactly what you're going to be getting once you purchase it. So let's just take out the box. Okay, let's put the box there. Right, as we can see, you've got your standard instructions manual. With these little micro ones from Nine Eagles, they've got this new design of a breakaway prop. Basically, if you have like a heavy landing and you hit the prop, instead of breaking it, it's got a little breakaway, so it comes off to stop you from damaging it, which I'll show you a little bit later. There's that. Okay, just so you can see, this is everything that you receive inside the box. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start taking them out and showing you one by one. First of all, we've got 4 AA batteries included for your transmitter. So just put them in front. Okay. We've also got your mini 7.4 LiPo battery for your aircraft itself. I know you can see here that I have 2 more, but I ordered these extra, and the gentleman at the shop kindly put them in the box for me, so they're all in the same package so they don't get lost. So I'll leave them to the side, just so I can have extra flight time down at the park and that would happen to coming home and charge them. So here's your mini LiPo charger. Just to show you, it's only small. There's an AA battery. It's quite small. Put that there. Also, we have well, for myself, it's a European power adapter. They do any other, the 2-star or anything like that. If you have a charger anyway, the output is a 1.2 volt 600 milliamps, just in case you wanted to know. So put that to the side. Okay, we have 2 props. They provide you, obviously, 1 spare in case you need it, and on one of the spare ones it comes with the breakaway attachment which goes on your motor in case it ever gets broken or falls off for any reason. So they give you 2 spares there. Just put it back on there. What else we got? Your standard wire undercarriage. Simple. And in here we have a Phillips screwdriver and a little fit screw in that, so we can attach the main wings to the fuselage. And that is it for the little bits. Let's get the controller out now and have a look at that. Okay, there we go. Just a couple of warning stickers. Just to let you know, obviously, please read instructions before you fly it. This controller is universal. It can do either mode 2 or mode 1. At the moment, it's been preset at mode 2. It's quite easily able to change it. All you have to do is undo these 2 screws, flip the aerial over the other side, and then reapply the screws again to hold it in place. And then it will change it between mode 1 or mode 2. And it's easily identified because it actually says it underneath the Nine Eagles sticker just here. So let's put it down the side there. Right, now we'll get the main fuselage out. Right, just a little bits on it. Right, there you go. If you can see from my hand, it's only a small micro aircraft with a small bit of plastic canopy. It's EPP foam, very solid, well done. It's got all your decals, stickers, and everything really included. Same as you've got your control surfaces, control horns, control rods, and in there you've got your linear servos for them as well. And also included on this little circuit board here is your receiver and ESC. Alright, and in this little bit here is where your battery goes on this little battery tray, which we'll show you a little bit later. So let's move this box, put that there, and the last thing obviously is your EPP wings, which is there. Same again, linear servo, control arms and control rods and control surfaces already pre-installed already. You've got a little plastic dog bone here and that to secure it onto the fuselage, and on the other side you have your little screw there to attach it to your fuselage as well. And like most aircraft of this size, or being one colour, you normally only have decals on one side and not on the other. It's purely there for orientation when you're flying. So we put that there. And that is everything that you get in the box with the Nine Eagles Xtra 300. So what I'm going to do now is quickly build it and then show you exactly what it looks like and hopefully do a little test on it. So first of all we get the little aircraft. Now as you can see here we have a little attachment which connects to the linear servo on the wings there. You can't get it wrong because it only fits one way, so we quickly fit that like so. Put the dog bone in the bottom and then just easily just close it down. So there's that built. We get our little screw that's provided with the screwdriver, which is handy. Pop down it low. And we just simply screw this up. Like so. Okay, we get our little undercarriage. Now these are sided. If you hold it straight but look down on it, the wheels are actually sticking forward to where it attaches in, which is the way you want. So when it's pushing forward, push it forward to the aircraft. It's because when the aircraft is sitting down, it's in line with the ground itself. And as you can see, pre-installed rear wheel as well. Okay, so that is the aircraft built. All we need now is put our prop on. So just simply push it on to the quick release. As you can see, it's nice and central. And that is it. That is as simple as it goes to set up your aircraft. Literally about a minute. Okay, so what we're going to do now is put some batteries on and see if it works. Just take these off. Don't need them. Okay, as it's already in mode 2, which is what I fly, I don't need to change the aerial at all. We'll just flip off the battery tray and stick in the batteries. Easy as that. Push it closed. And then the on-off switch is at the top, so we switch it on, make sure we've got power. Okay, which we have. So I'll just put that to the side. Now this aircraft doesn't have an on and off switch. Basically when you connect the power, it's all done. So just get ourselves a little mini LiPo battery. I haven't charged this yet, but when they ship them they normally have a little bit of charge, so it should be fine just to do a quick test and to show you. Make sure the throttle's down, which it is. I don't know if I have to bind this yet. It should be pre-done, but just in case, I have read up on how to do it. Okay, as you heard there, we had a little bit of power, a bit of movement in the servos. Just push the battery in gently, put the battery tray back on, and there we go. Now I don't know if you can see that, but just here underneath the EPP foam I can just see a little red light, so that's telling me that the servo's all powered up and it's all binded already, because otherwise that wouldn't be there. So let's face the aircraft towards you so you can get to see it. Now what I'm going to do now is just check my control surfaces, make sure that the ailerons, elevators and rudder works. So there's your ailerons, there's your elevators, all going in the right direction as well, and here is your rudder. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll hold the aircraft gently and then we'll just check the, let's move that out of the way, check the throttle as well. And there we go, everything's working. Now this model also has dual rates as well, for either 3D flying, or if you want a little bit more control, or for novices that want to play, you know, obviously try something like this first before they go to bigger aircraft. Simply just push down like you do on like an Xbox controller or PS3 on your ailerons and elevator control arm. Push down, you should hear it go beep, and now I should have a lot greater rates on here. So if you can see on your ailerons how much they move now, turn it off, see, it reduces nearly by half, so the aircraft doesn't respond as quickly. Okay, alright, there we go. Okay, just one more thing, I have got another aircraft here. I just basically want to show you the size in more comparison. I have my new Pride and Joy, which I've just purchased. I'm still in the middle of building it at the moment. We'll be doing a video of it at some point. So, I'll leave the little aircraft there. Now this is a quarter scale Cessna 182 Skyline. And I don't know if it's all in the camera, but you can see the size difference between the Extra and my new Cessna. Okay, let's just put that out of the way. As I said, I will be doing a video if anyone wants to know anything about this aircraft as well. It's just in the process of being built. And there we go, guys and girls. The Xtra 300 Micro RC aircraft. Now, as always, what I'll be doing, I'll be doing another video soon with it flying down my local park, showing you how it manoeuvres, sort of, you know, how it controls that. Any problems, if I experience any, I'll also include that in there as well. And I should be getting an onboard camera very soon. It's on order, and if I get it in time, I may put it on this aircraft as well, so you can see a pilot's view as well. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, and any messages, please just leave in the comments page, and I'll try and answer if I can. Thank you very much. See you later, guys.